Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I will describe you a process to export from Colombia to another country. First one, we have to make the company or register it in CCB, Camera of Commerce of Bogota. They will give us support to have satisfactory results when you are creating your company. And then you have to go to the DIAN, um, and you have to register our company with the correct description in root, Registro Único Tributario. That is the mechanism that identified or classify in the correct way our company. If we export or we produce and export, um, that document and give us that recognize. Then three, um, you have to do or carry out a marketing study uh, where we need to know or review the possibility of our clients if we have some clients in Europe or in United States, or if we have competence in that market. Mm, then, when we have a client or a customer, we have to, they will send us a remission. When you have a remission, you have to select the correct Incoterm to submit the license application to export. Mm, when the customer accept that our process or our conditions, we tell he will send us acceptance of condition or in condition that important configure you the purchase of your merchandise and the acceptation of the terms of negotiation. In this case, could the importer send to a bank letter to confirm the paid or give us the way of payment? Mm, then we have the step six is the confirmation of the credit of letter of credit when the bank of our country, Colombia, receive a copy of the credit letter from corresponding government or bank and communicate us that we can continue with the process or of dispatch. Seven, that card give us the safety of our um, merchandise is okay, and you will receive the pay. Mm, Seven is the commercial invoice. You need to send this commercial document first of all, because with that um, letter or with that document, our client can use for the international authorities to receive our product or our service. In that case, if the case is that we have service. Then the transportation of an insurance, it is commonly it is used by the client in accordance with the Incoterm. If that in that way the customer knows what is the insurance that he needs when we have a negotiation with the Incoterm. Mm, merchandise merchandise origin certification, that is so important because it's the document that or give us or our client uh, where is the product, where was fabric or performed our the product, and is a that document accredit the products that is made in Colombia. Or we have another document that is the Marca Colombia, that give us that the same certification or accreditation. Then we have the certification of ICA. It depends of the kind of product that we will export, and if in some cases we don't need it, like when it's product that don't have a phytosanitary certification, for example. Anyway, you need to fill all requirements about before the export. For example, export of certification of origin, phytosanitary certification, or whatever that it depends of the country. We need to do a presentation of all documents, the export capacity that we have. Once the export document has been filled and presented with all the requirements, the requirements customer give us an authorization for final declaration procedure for make a shipping authorization. And finally, the Bank of the Republic authorized the payment or the dispatch.